Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is me, Umar Farooq Sumro. I hope all of you are fine. Students, today our topic is types of sentences. Okay, dear students, now we are going to learn the types of sentences, and this is your lecture number 1 of English grammar. So, students, in this lecture we will discuss about some points about types of sentence, about formation of sentences. After it I will give you your homework as usual. Okay, so dear students, as all of you know, I have written here types of sentences. As you already read it, that there are 4 types of sentence: assertive sentence, or it is called positive sentence. Number 1. Number 2, negative sentence. Number 3, interrogative sentence. Number 4, interrogative plus negative sentence. In this lecture, first of all, we will learn about types of sentences. So, students, basically we have 4 types of sentences: assertive sentence, or it is called positive sentence. This type of sentence shows an action in affirmation or tells about someone in assertion or affirmation. These two words define the positive sentence, or they have the same meaning: assertion or affirmation. Meaning of these words are same. Okay, meaning is same of these two words. So basically, assertive sentence, this type of sentence shows an action in affirmation or tells about someone in assertion or affirmation. Dear students, assertive sentence किसी भी जुमले में किसी के बारे में या किसी काम के बारे में पॉजिटिवली बताएगा. For an example, I have written here, we are learning grammar. As all of you know, what is the meaning of this sentence? I must not tell because it is too easy to translate. We are learning grammar. Number 1, Ali is poor. In first sentence, what was our definition? Shows an action in affirmation or in positive. We are learning grammar. So this sentence shows an action in affirmation. Okay, and tells about someone. Ali is poor. It defines that Ali is poor. So this sentence, both these two sentences are in assertion or affirmation. That's why we can call these two sentences assertive sentence. These sentences would be in assertive sentence because these sentences show an action or tell about something or someone. Okay, so students, second type is negative sentence. As you can guess the meaning of this sentence or this type of sentence with its name. Its name is negative sentence. Why do we use word negative? Because whenever we deny to something, we use negative sentence. अगर हम किसी भी चीज़ का इनकार करते हैं, ना कि माना करते हैं, नहीं करते, तो नेगेटिव सेंटेंस हम यूज़ करेंगे. सो बेसिकली दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस इज़ यूज्ड टू शो नेगेशन इन एनी स्टेटमेंट. इफ़ वी आर राइटिंग any type of sentence in any tense, a sentence of any tense, so it will tell us about negation. We are not learning grammar. As you saw here, we are learning grammar, and this sentence is showing we are not learning grammar. It means it denies. ये इनकार की माना दे रहे हैं, ना की माना दे रहे हैं. यहाँ है कि हम ग्रामर सीख रहे हैं, यहाँ पर हम ग्रामर नहीं सीख रहे हैं. And the second sentence in assertive is Ali is poor. But in negative sentence it is Ali is not poor. What is it? Ali is not poor. It denies that Ali is not poor. Okay. So 3 number, interrogative sentence. Basically this type of sentence is used for asking questions. If you want to ask question to someone, the statement will be in interrogative sentence. अगर आप बात करते हुए किसी से कुछ पूछते हैं तो वो आपके पूछना इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस कहलाता है, वो आपका जुमला बन जाता है इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस इन विच यू आस्क क्वेश्चन. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस इज यूज्ड फॉर आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. As we have this sentence, we are learning grammar, so it will be, are we learning grammar? And the sentence ends with a question mark. Okay, this sentence will end with a question mark. Are we learning grammar? क्या हम grammar सीख रहे हैं? So this sentence shows a question about interrogation. Is Ali poor? क्या अली गरीब है? Is Ali poor? Okay, both these sentences are used in interrogative sentence and shows the question. Okay, these two sentences are in interrogative sentence. Which type of sentence is used to ask questions? Okay students, now we have number 4, interrogative plus negative sentence. In this sentence or this type of sentence is used for asking questions also with negation. What is it? This type of sentence is used for asking question with negation. As you saw here, negative sentence, what does it show? Negation. ना की माना देंगे, नहीं करते, हम नहीं खाते, आप अपना काम नहीं करते, बच्चे सुबह वक्त पर नहीं उठते, आप क्लास में मेहनत नहीं करते, तो ये नेगेशन है. और यहाँ पर क्या होगा कि आप नेगेटिव सेंटेंस को और इंटरोगेटिव को दोनों को मिलाकर इंटरोगेटिव और नेगेटिव बनाओगे, जिसमें नेगेटिव की भी मीनिंग हो, इंटरोगेटिव की भी मीनिंग हो और दोनों सेंस इस्तेमाल हो. इससे हम कहते हैं इंटरोगेटिव नेगेटिव, जिसमें हम किसी चीज़ का मना भी करें और सवाल भी पूछें. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस इज़ यूज फॉर आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस विथ नेगेशन. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल आई हैव रिटन हियर, आर वी नॉट लर्निंग ग्रामर? As you see, we are not learning grammar. We are not learning grammar. This sentence is in negation or negative here. But here, this sentence is used in interrogative negative sense. Are we not learning grammar? Or is Ali not poor? This sentence has two parts. First part is it asks question, and the second is it defines that it is in negation. So dear students, these 4 types are commonly used. Okay, so I hope all of you can understand this easy and unproblematic lecture of types of sentences. After it, now we have to learn about the formation of these sentences. How could you know that how these sentences are made? So I will tell you here, formation of sentences or structure of sentence. Okay, so first of all I have written here assertive. As I told you, we can call it positive sentence. First of all, what we have to do to make a sentence in assertion or assertive sentence, first of all put subject here. Put subject here first of all. For example, I have written Aftab, a name of a person is subject of a sentence. Okay, subject is Aftab. Then what you have to do, you have to place helping verb. Then Aftab is, then what you have to do, you have to place main verb or action verb. The form will be according to the tense. Here I have used present continuous tense, so the structure will be according to that tense. Okay, so first of all we put subject, then we put helping verb, after it we put main verb, and in last we put object. Subject, helping verb, main verb, object. Subject is Aftab, helping verb is, main verb is reading, and object is lesson. So this sentence is Aftab is reading a lesson. Aftab is reading a lesson. It tells us about an action or tells about a person. Okay, how will you convert this sentence into negative? Because if this sentence is in assertion or affirmation, how will you convert it into negative sentence? First of all, you have to put the same subject here, and then you have to put हेल्पिंग वर्ब सेम एज प्रीवियस इन असर्टिव सेंटेंस। ओके, सबसे पहले आपने क्या करना है, सब्जेक्ट और हेल्पिंग वर्ब आपने रखने हैं जैसे आपके असर्टिव सेंटेंस में है, और यहाँ नॉट की जगह नॉट को प्लेस करना है। डेफिनेशन बेसिकली इसकी इजी ये है कि अगर आप यहाँ नॉट न पढ़ें, आफ्ताब इज़ रीडिंग अ लेसन, तो ये पॉजिटिव है, असर्टिव सेंटेंस है। मसला क्या है कि आपको सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ हेल्पिंग वर्ब और मेन वर्ब के बीच में नॉट प्लेस करना है। ये आपका रीडिंग मेन वर्ब है, इज़ एम आर जो भी यहाँ हो वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है। आपको क्या करना है, सबसे पहले कि आपको हेल्पिंग वर्ब और मेन वर्ब के बीच में नॉट इजाफा करना है। यू हैव टू पुट अ वर्ड नॉट बिटवीन हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड मेन वर्ब, देन योर सेंटेंस विल बी इन negative sense. Okay, so this is a formation of negative sentence. Number 3, interrogative sentence. For interrogation, first of all, remember one thing, that each sentence, if we want to make a sentence in interrogation, each sentence will carry helping verb in first. At first, interrogative sentence takes helping verb. If in any tense, it doesn't matter, but helping verb will be placed first of all in interrogative sentence. Then what you have to do, you have to put subject, what it would be, whatever it would be. So after helping verb you have to put subject, after it put main verb, then finally put object and plus question mark. The sign of this sentence is interrogative sentence ends at a question mark. Okay, this is the main thing. Your assertive sentence ends on with a full stop, your negative sentence ends with a full stop, interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. This is the sign of interrogative sentence. It contains a question mark after the statement. आपके सेंटेंस को पहचानने की निशानी ये है कि इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में हमेशा क्वेश्चन मार्क, सवाल की निशानी लाजमन पुट की हुई होती है, जिससे हमें मालूम होता है कि ये इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है। अगर पॉजिटिव में भी आपकी फुल स्टॉप है, नेगेटिव में भी, पर इसमें फ़र्क ये है कि यहाँ आपको नॉट देखना पड़ेगा, तो मालूम हो जाएगा कि अगर नॉट यानी इनकार किया हुआ है और सेंस जो है वो नेगेशन में है, इनकार कर रहा है, किसी चीज़ को मना दिखा रहा है, तो ये हो जाएगा नेगेटिव सेंटेंस। नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टू अवर लास्ट सेंटेंस, टू द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द लास्ट सेंटेंस, इंटरोगेटिव प्लस नेगेटिव सेंटेंस। सो एज आई टोल्ड यू, each sentence of interrogation will carry helping verb in every tense. Okay, first of all place helping verb first, then put your subject here. Then what is the difference between interrogative sentence and interrogative negative sentence? Can you guess? I will tell you. Interrogative sentence and interrogative negative sentence, this word, as you can see on your screen, not, remove this word and your sentence will be in interrogative. Remove not, by removing not your sentence will change the condition. By removing not your sentence will not be in interrogative negative, your sentence will be in just interrogative. But if you place helping verb first, then you put your subject, then you place not, then main verb, and after object plus question mark, your sentence will be in interrogative plus negative. Okay, so students, as on your screen, the formation of all these 4 types of tenses is described to you and listed. So I hope you will understand this lecture. Okay, so students, I have a small homework for you. This is your homework that I am showing on your screen, as you can see it clearly. First of all, it is do as directed. It means do as you are directed. You are directed to change the sentence into For example, Salim and Anwar fly an airplane. Change into negative. What you have to do? You have to find out the formation of negative and change this sentence. First of all, you have to know, is this sentence in positive or in negative or in interrogative or in interrogative negative. First of all, see the signs of sentence as I told you, then you must convert it. But if you have no idea about the formation, about the signs of a sentence, how can you convert the sentence? So first of all, watch signs of a sentence, then convert it. Second is, we are driving our new car. Change it into interrogative plus negative. Number 3, Nadia and Hadia have cooked food. Change into interrogative. Shahjahan is not operating computer. Change into positive or assertive. Positive or assertive is the same sentence. Okay. And then students are learning chemistry. What you have to do? Change into negative plus interrogative. Okay students. Now question number 2 of your homework is translate into English. I am reading these sentences for you. Number 1, हम अपने वालिदैन का अदब करते हैं. Number 2, आप मेरे कमरे में क्या कर रहे हैं. Number 3, क्या आप अपना काम मुकम्मल कर चुके हैं. Number 4, असलम और हनीफ कराची जा रहे हैं. This is your homework of lecture number 1. As according, we read about types of sentence. After it, we read about formation or structure of the sentences. Now this is your homework. You have to listen your lecture carefully with heart and soul and solve this puzzle or attempt your homework and submit it on your WhatsApp group. I will check every single homework. Still, Allah Hafiz.